If you're looking for some ways to instantly organize your home, keep watching. I'm Angel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some easy ways to easily organize different spaces around your home. First, let's start with an area in the kitchen, and that's spices. If you struggle with spices, or if your spices are all over the place, or it's hard to find what you're looking for, an easy solution is a double layer spice spinner. So this is 2-in-1. It's a lazy Susan, but it's also 2 levels, and there's a taller section right in the middle that gives you a spinning section as well. So you can put all your shorter seasonings on the 2 tiers, and then if you have like any tall jars, anything like that, you can put right dead in the center, and that can spin as well. So this is a way to speed up your cooking, find the spice you're looking for, just spin it around, and organize that space as well, all in one. So even if you don't want to put all your spices in cute little containers like some of us do, some of us don't, you can always just get you an organizer to organize the space. So it's easy, it's instant, and you don't have to worry about your space looking cluttered. Just be careful because of the size, you want to make sure it do fit your cabinets, but for most kitchen cabinets it does. But if it's like a narrow cabinet, it might be a tight fit. But this one works great. It comes in a lot of colors. Let me talk about this organizer for your hats. If you or your husband or your kiddos have a lot of caps, and baseball caps especially, I came across this hat organizer and it's genius. It is a pull-out drawer where you can organize all your hats and have them on display, easy to reach, but they're in their own space where they're not getting bent and broken and just thrown in a corner. I also like that it's in a box, so you can also use the top level if you want to continue to do maybe another organizer, if you have 2 or 3 hat organizers, or if you want to put some shoes or use that top level for a shelf for anything else, you can do that as well. So I love the spacing because you can use that top for layering and organizing and for storing more items too. But the inside is a drawer. It keeps the hats from getting bent again. They're all there. You can put a lot of hats in the organizer, which is nice. And the organizer do come with a pack of 2, and I think you might can get a pack of 4, I think, as well. But these are really awesome to have, helping you to organize any type of baseball caps for you or any member of your family. Now, paper clutter stresses me out more than anything else, literally. So one way to hide the mess is to use baskets. And this has been, I think, one of my most clever organizers for me that has been the most helpful is for our mail. You can get these baskets with lids on them. It's a 2-pack, good quality. They do a medium and a larger one. Y'all, for me and mail, this has been just game changing. You can stick all the mail in there. And to me, that's less clutter. I don't see it, but I know I'm gonna have to get to it. But it's a space for it because I don't go through my mail every day, and honestly, it will pile up quick. Like if you're not on top of your mail day in and day out, mail is the biggest clutter problem. And if I see it, it just makes your space look so messy. And a lot of times the mail organizers that I've used in the past were not quite big enough because you get magazines and all that extra stuff in the mail too sometimes, or big old envelopes that come. So I really like the larger one because everything can go in there, and I usually like if one of us gets the mail, just stick it right in the box and it has a place. So you can also use these for other things around the home too, hiding anything. That's why I like it, because it can instantly organize a space. So if you want to use it to hold car keys and sunglasses and shades by the door, you can do whatever you need to do to instantly organize a space and hide that clutter. Now, if you like to buy things in bulk and you need an organizer for your large big rolls of trash bags, one thing you can do is get this organizer and hold your extremely large rolls of trash bags and dispense them. I love the spacing on it. And also it has another small spacing like in the middle of the 2 containers. So if you have cleaning tablets or any little thing like that, you can put in that space. And then the top holds pods, which is nice because it's a really large area. So again, if you buy laundry pods or dishwasher pods in bulk, this can hold your big packs, which is nice as well too. So this is really great for when you do bulk buy and you've been looking for an organizer that can hold your big old rolls of things in the kitchen or the laundry room. This could work really good for those big bulky items. One of my favorite ways to organize jewelry is with this jewelry organizer. This one in particular has lots of storage. I think it's geniusly designed to not use up a lot of space, but it gives you lots of spaces to organize with. So it has spaces for your bracelets, your necklace, your earrings, your rings, drawers. I mean, it's just neatly designed. And it's one of those ways, if you have jewelry, you can instantly organize it with one of these organizers. Literally, it gets it together instantly. So it's beautiful, comes in a lot of colors too, but you can also get your jewelry together so you can find what you're looking for. Now, another little genius organizer are magnetic racks. So these are magnetic. So they instantly can help you organize any space because you can just attach it to anything magnetic. So you can put these on refrigerators. You can put these on metal cabinets. You can put them on dryers. Anywhere that is metal, you can instantly get you some organization going on. They can hold so many different things. You can use them for spices, for cups, fireballs, laundry stuff. In the garage, you can use them for cleaning stuff, rags. I mean, they're just amazing for a lot of different things. So one thing I do like to say is magnetic racks and holders are great for instant organization. I needed help with a lot of kid crafting stuff and school supplies and things like that. So one thing that helped me to instantly get that together was a drawer card. I got this 7-drawer card, and y'all, it rolls and it's amazing. It's super sweet. So if we're in here and the kids want something to do, you can roll it. You can roll it wherever they want to go, to the office or wherever. But it has lots of drawers, so we were able to get everything together. We got spaces for markers and coloring books and paint and just so much more that can go right into this cart. So I love the cart. You can use it also for crafting. You can use it for sewing. You can use it for kids, of course, office supplies and things like that. But it's just a great way to organize a space and have spaces for the things you're looking for. Another little handy trick I like to do is to use moving bags, and not just for moving. Yes, they're great for moving because we did move with them, but you can use these for things around your home. I personally like to use them for costumes, to store all those big bulky costumes. You can use them for small clothes, like clothes the kids or you have outgrown. You can use them for clothes you want to give away, right? So if you're going through your clothes and you want to give some away, you can put them in those. I love the moving bags for so many different things, but those are an easy way to instantly get things together. And I know with me and my kids, I always have these bags handy because as they're outgrowing clothes, I just throw them in a moving bag. I just have one already in a closet. We just throw them in there. And as they add up, you know, it's already there. It's instant. So I really do like them. And again, we have them for costumes and different things too. So the moving bags, they're heavy duty so that you can use them for several different things. You can get different colors. Some of them are clear. You can get the tarp colored ones. There's a lot. I will leave some link, but those are really awesome. Now, storage containers like this little beautiful box right here. This is a cement box. It is gorgeous, okay? This can hide clutter, all right, and make your space still look nice. I love these for several different reasons. It's called a tissue holder, so you can definitely store your facial tissues in here. But you don't only have to use this for tissues, y'all. Y'all, if you don't hung with me, you know me by now. You can use this to hide different things. If you have oils, if you have face stuff, hair stuff all over your counters, put it in one of these and it hides it and tucks it away and instantly organizes your space. So I like this because it's a functional piece of decor. You can store and use it to have your things that you need easy access to, but it also makes your space look good instantly. Now, if you have a lot of wigs, this one little item could literally change the game of how you store your wigs, and that is wig storage bags. They have been game changing for me. They are so great because they protect your wigs. They're easy to travel with, but also an easy way to instantly organize your wigs because mine's just being piles and all over the place. But with these, they instantly organized. They come with little hangers, which is really nice. So you can use that. You can also wash them and hang them on the little hangers too. But the bags have a clear storage on the front so you can see what's in it. So if you're looking for a certain wig, you can find it. But the wig storage bags, absolutely genius. An easy way to instantly get your wigs together. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. I will definitely leave links below for all the items that I talked about and shared and mentioned. And if you guys have any questions or comments, or definitely feel free to tell me hello. I love to hear from you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to also enjoy this next video as well.